Hello everyone, today for my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare Raffaello balls. It's so easy and so delicious and doesn't need too much ingredients. So all what we need is 3 ingredients. We need a shredded desiccated coconut, and we need condensed milk, and also we need almonds. Also you can just fill it with different kind of nuts if you like. And by the way, you can leave the almond with the skin, but I took it off. I prefer to take it off. So we need a little bit of coconut separate. We need to dip the bowl when they finish. So I'm going to leave those separate, and I'm going to list down the ingredients with the measurements down in the description box if you want to give it a try, and I'm sure that you will like it. So here we have about 3 cups of shredded coconuts. I'm going to pour the condensed milk and leave a little bit, and then mix them. Alright, let me just move them in this bowl. It's bigger. Yeah, will be better. Okay. Let me put the rest here. We need 1 can of condensed milk and 3 cups of desiccated coconut. Okay, I'm going to mix them by hand. Mix them until you have a nice soft dough, coconut dough. Okay, so here I have a plate. So I'm going to start taking like small amount of the dough and press in the middle. Fill it with 1 almond. Oh my goodness. Alright, we need this as well. And make it as ball, like so. Just give it the shape. It's so easy. And then I'm going to cover it with shredded coconut here, and then put it in a plate. Then I'm going to put them in the fridge. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. You have to put them in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Oh, look at my hands. They smell so yummy, so sweet. I'm going to take a little bit of this just to keep them all look same. Alright, here we go. Dip it here. Okay, so it's so easy. And it's so yummy. Kids will love it so much. Especially they look so beautiful in Christmas as well. Okay, so here we go. I showed you the way. I'm going to carry on doing the rest off camera. And then I'm going to put them in the fridge for 1 hour. And later they will be ready. And also I have something very delicious there that I prepare it. It's called sesame bars. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. And I'm going to put the link at the end of this video how you can prepare this sesame bars. I'm going to show it to you as well later. Okay, so see you after that. Okay, here we go. This is after 1 hour in the fridge. Let me show you this small Raffaello. Wow, it tastes so yummy, and it's so delicious. So what I'm going to do, Now I'm going to represent these in this plate, like so. Just put them like this. Wow, they look so beautiful. Wow. And one more here. One here and one here, one here. Ooh, look at this beautiful plate. Oh, we still have one more. Oh, sorry, I forgot to count them. So you nearly have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, about 23 Raffaello balls. So with this amount, so look at them, they look so beautiful and they look so delicious and they taste absolutely delicious. And by the way, I wanted to show you the sesame bars. Also, I made these sesame bars and I have the rest here, and they taste so yummy and they so crunchy. I love them so much. I'm going to put this link for this recipe, sesame bars. We call it simsmi in Arabic, so I'm going to put it at the end of this video. You can just check it. Also, it's so easy. So all what you need is honey, sugar, and sesame seeds. And here we have the Raffaello bars, the Raffaello balls. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you like my recipe. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to check the recipe down in the description. See you soon. Bye.